In this video, I will show you how to issue store credit on Shopify. Let's get started. So typically, store credit is actually issued when you have billed order on your end with the customer. We can give them store credit instead of a refund. So in here, you can head over in here to your orders, and onto your orders, you should be able to see all the orders that you have. As of right now, I don't have any orders yet. This because it's just a tutorial site. But if you want to receive orders, you can head over and select a plan in here in order to receive orders from customers. Once you have selected a plan that actually fits you, you can head over and see all the orders that you have. So as of right now, I have this, like for example, is this particular thing. So the orders page will typically looks like this. So you can head over and then just look for the actual order that you want to give store credit into. So just get the order number from them. Once you get the order number, just head over and click on that specific order. And then from in here, you should be able to find an option that can help you refund with store credit when you click on the More Actions page. Once you have head over and refunded them with store credit, the credit will be added to their system and they can actually use it to purchase from you again or to other stores. So that's the whole process. If you have found it such a helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe. It can help us reach more people. See you soon.